Hello friends, Ryan Frabel, General Sales Manager at Brown Daub Alfa Romeo Fiat, located at Route 33 and Hecktown Road in beautiful Easton, Pennsylvania. One of the questions that I've been getting a lot lately is, how is the all-new 2016 Fiat 500X in the snow? Well, I'm here today to tell you this car is fantastic. I want to start with the all-wheel drive system itself. The all-wheel drive system on this car works flawlessly. What it does, this actually engages within 1/7 of a wheel turn, faster than you can even flip a switch or actually feel it. That's important, especially with conditions like we have today. A couple things that make this all-wheel drive system great. You can actually tell it what you want it to do. Nice thing here, if you look down, there's actually a little selector knob there that you can actually tell the drivetrain exactly how you want it to perform. That's very important. Another thing that I like is I like to be able to control my speed. Everybody knows that sometimes it's very hard and difficult to actually hit the brakes. You slide. One nice thing about this is you can actually use your engine to brake. If you look down here, you see next to the shifter that I can slide it over here and actually change the gearing on the car to actually slow it down. In other words, helping you maintain control, which is perfect. Ground clearance on this vehicle, plenty to get through what we're experiencing today here in the Northeast. A couple creature comforts that I really like. If you look down here, it actually has a heated steering wheel and heated seats. Heated steering wheel, I'll tell you, that's something that most luxury cars don't even provide. And I'll tell you the best thing of all, price point. This car starts with all-wheel drive at $25,000. That is huge. Well, thank you very much for taking a short look here at the video that I provided, and I hope this helps in your search of a newer pre-owned SUV. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day.